Hi everyone, it's Mary Joy. Today I want to talk about this book from Dale Carnegie, How to Develop Self-Confidence and Influence People by Public Speaking. I wanted to buy this and to read this because I want to be more, what do you call that? Confident. So there's somewhere in here, there's a lot of nuggets that I found from here. But today I want to talk about where's that now? Hang on a sec. Stay there. Don't move. Anyway, today I want to talk about think success. It says it is easily in your power to do this. Believe that you will succeed. Believe it firmly, and you will then do what is necessary to bring success about. I have to think about that because, we want to be successful, but reality, we don't become successful because there are other things that get in the way. So my nugget for you today is think success, and that's what I'm gonna do the same from now on, because I want to be successful and I want to be making the money that I know in our company is making. So think success and you will become successful. So that's it for today, and thank you very much for stopping by here on 90 Days Blogging. Please tune in for tomorrow. Like, subscribe, share, and comment. And thank you very much. I see you soon. Bye.